The AIPER Pool Care Combo, featuring the Scuba X1 and Surfer S2, delivers a comprehensive automated pool maintenance solution, ensuring a sparkling clean pool with minimal manual effort. Utilizing WavePath 3.0 technology, the Scuba X1 excels in scrubbing pool floors, walls, and the waterline, while the Surfer S2 efficiently skims away surface debris, ensuring a pristine pool environment. Control and customization are made easy with the Aiper App, allowing users to seamlessly the Scuba X1 and Surfer S2's cleaning schedules and modes from their smartphones. The advanced multi-layer MicroMesh filtration of the Scuba X1 captures particles as small as 3 micrometers, while the Surfer S2's DebrisGuard system ensures no debris escapes, providing superior water clarity. The Scuba X1 boasts a powerful 6,600 gallons per hour dual-jet suction system, effectively removing dirt from pool surfaces, while the Surfer S2 utilizes solar energy for eco-friendly cleaning. Together, the Scuba X1 and Surfer S2 offer an innovative and effective solution for keeping pools up to 2,150 square feet clean and inviting.